Okay, here we go into the guest wing. Oh, it's a portable crib and a printer. That is a bed skirt that was wrapped around the slats that were for the bed that we put in the guest room for you. The supporting slats that go underneath the box spring. And you have detergent, fabric softener. I have no idea what's in that box. Okay. Still don't know, but now you know. You have one roll of extra toilet paper, some Kleenexes, lots of paper towels. Looks like a comforter there. Cleaning products. I don't know if it's the same that you use. Trash bags. Not a lot. Looks like maybe one in there. Probably get some trash bags. And these are little plastic bags that you can use to hold trash and other things. Just thinking of things that you might look for when you're here. Bleach, fabric softener, and some more cleaners. And there's some bulbs right there. All right. Oh, sorry. I think I forgot to open these for you. Irons, bops, ironing boards. A plethora of irons. Some fake flowers. All right, let's go get a better look at this garage. I have no idea what some of this stuff is, so I'm not even going to pretend that I know. Lots of paintings and pictures. The glass tops for some of the tables. I think Mark moved the ladder when he was here, or they used it to paint. I don't know, but it's moved, obviously. The extra dryer that's over here. And I don't know if those actually have gas in it for the grill or not. That's part of the stereo speaker system. One random bar stool that I don't think matches the other ones. The gas grill back there is covered. A couple of side tables, more paintings, a dresser. Looks like it was part of the original master bedroom set. Many various lamps. This is a side table. I think a glass piece goes on top of it. And fireplace screen. This is also a shelf. I think there's glass pieces around here for that. I don't see them right now. You can never find what you're looking for when you're looking for it, right? That is super weird. I do not see it. So I don't know if they leaned it up with those glass pieces up with the pictures or whatever. Throw pillows for the beds, comforters. Another table with the glass pieces over there. Just don't see the smaller ones. And this is a piece of crap outside lawn table set that just needs to go to the curb, quite frankly, because it's all rusted on the bottom. Just want you to be able to get a good look at the various different things that are here so that you can make some choices as to if there's things that maybe you want to buy before you get here and send it in for delivery. Because of course I'm happy to receive deliveries for you as well. Okay, and I'll do another video in a